Dumelang, ke a le amogela. Leina la me ke Tshegofatso. Hello, welcome. My name is Tshegofatso, and this is a new video for Losika Rights. Today, we're talking about names that relate to wealth. Wealth names. These are very common because in Setswana culture, when you name your kid, you are kind of putting it into the universe that this is what I want. This is my hope, this is my faith, this is my prayers, this is what I wish for. Or it might be just an acknowledgement that this kid brings with themselves great wealth. Now, let's get into it. The first one is Katlego. 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 That means success. Katlego is success. Khumo. Khumo means wealth. Khumo means wealth. Now, relating to that Khumo name, you might also call your kid Khumo Itile. Khumo Itile. That means wealth has arrived. Wealth has arrived. Khumo is wealth. Khumo Itile means wealth has arrived. Houta. Houta. That is gold. This typically, I've seen it being more of a girl name, gold. Houta. Houta. Botswana is also a very semi-arid place, so rain means success and means wealth. So sometimes the baby comes at times of poor rain, and you are hoping that by their presence when they arrive they will come with rain, or they might be coming and then there's plentiful rain. So rain is pula, pula, pula. Motlalepula. Motlalepula is one who arrives with the rain. One who arrives with the rain is Motlalepula. Pula is rain, rain. Now all this is a gift now or present. Now, now, now. Or you might also have po, gift or present as well. And for all this, you are thankful. Tebogo, tebogo, tebogo. Not tebogo, because now we have litile. Tebogo, tebogo means being thankful. And then letoto, letoto is great wealth. Great wealth. Lekamoso, till next time. Hosiame.